Bibhav Kumar, the former personal secretary (PS) of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, has been arrested by Delhi police in connection with the assault allegations made by Aam Aadmi Party Member of Parliament Swati Maliwal. The incident unfolded on May 13 when Maliwal, a prominent leader of AP and former chairperson of the Delhi Commission for Women, alleged that she was assaulted at Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence by Kumar, a close aide to Kejriwal. During a public rally in Siwan, Bihar, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma strongly opposed the idea of providing reservations to Muslims in India. Sarma's comments came after some politicians suggested offering reservation based on religion. In his address, Sarma said, "If you want to give reservations to Muslims, then go to Pakistan and give reservations there. It will never happen in India." Baba Saheb Ambedkar gave us the constitution. In the constitution, it is mentioned that SC, ST and OBC should get the reservation, Sarma stated. Around 30 to 40 families from different parts of North Tripura district have been spending nights in forest areas of Peku Chera in the Pani Sagarda subdivision of the same district in order to draw the attention of the government towards their plight of being landless. According to them, they had homes built on government lands and hence they could be evicted from the place at any time. The sole purpose of the unique movement is to get permanent settlement through individual land titles issued by the Tripura government. With the hope of a permanent settlement, the families shifted to the forest areas and set up makeshift huts using tarpaulin shades and bamboo. A 30-year-old man was shot in Manipur's Imphal West district this morning, according to police report. The incident occurred near Khumbong Primary Health Center in the Patsoi police station area, where the victim, identified as Leshram Kumarjit, is a designer by profession. According to police, the man was shot in his left calf. The injured man was promptly attended to and taken for medical treatment following the incident. Police investigations are underway to determine the circumstances leading to the shooting and apprehend those responsible for the attack. It is a developing story. Further details are awaited. The Northeast Frontier Railway NFR has taken an action by suspending a travelling ticket examiner TTE following allegations of assault against a women passenger aboard a train. The incident, which transpired on Tuesday, prompted widespread outrage after a video capturing the altercation circulated on social media platforms. According to railway sources, the women passenger was travelling from New Haflang, Assam to Agartala when the confrontation occurred during a ticket inspection by the accused TTE. North Korea launched a ballistic missile off its east coast following joint military drills by South Korea and the US, seen as a provocation by Pyongyang. This launch is part of North Korea's recent surge in weapons testing, demonstrating its intent to bolster military capabilities amid stalled diplomatic talks. Last week, Kim Jong-un oversaw a new rocket system test. Saved Kaur Samra won her third out of four women's 50-meter rifle three-position 3P Olympic selection trial OST, while Neeraj Kumar won the men's 3P OST for a second time as proceedings in the event concluded on the penultimate day of the OST and 3 and 4 rifle pistol at the MP State Shooting Academy range in Bhopal today. Saved shot 461.3 in the women's 3P OST T4 final to edge out Nischal by a point. Ashi Chokse was third with 448.1, Sriyanka Sadangi and Anjum Modgil were fourth and fifth respectively in the 5 women field.